Good morning and welcome to another episode of Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today I'm going to show you how to make Café au lait, which is literally translated from French to English to coffee with milk. And I'm going to show you how to make it with a French press. This is my French press from college. And I do have a video that shows you how to make coffee with a French press, but I'll just do a quick demonstration here. My French press came with two of these glasses like this. Unfortunately, with some moves, one of them broke. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up my coffee. I like to put it in this glass. This is my favorite glass for making café au lait. So I like to fill it to about here. And it's from my alma mater, Ball State University. Next comes the au lait part. And so right here, this line is where it says where you put the maximum amount of milk. I warmed the milk up in the microwave 1 minute. So I'm going to pour that where it says stop. And I'm going to use this device to foam the milk. And the way you do that is you put the lid on, and I always make sure the solid part, you have a straining part, and a solid part is towards the spout so nothing burps out. And so you work. Alright, so now that I have foamed the milk or the lait, I'm going to pour a little bit over the top. And then the rest, see how that milk is added to the coffee. I'm going to spoon a desired amount of foam on the top. Alright, and that's how you make café au lait with a French press. Thank you for joining me on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and to share.